Welcome to Root Cause Medical Clinic. Our clinic is located at 20398 Blauer Drive in Saratoga, California. Offering medical-grade IV therapy and nutrient injections in Saratoga, California. Powerful nutrients that address chronic problems, speed up healing, strengthen, energize, and hydrate. Are you ready to restore optimal function to your body and enjoy an unsurpassed level of health? IVs and injections are the ideal solution to help you achieve your health goals. Combat fatigue, reduce muscle pain and soreness, faster workout recovery, improve mental clarity. Increased energy, memory, alertness, better sleep, weight loss. Immunity support to protect against illness, reducing the impact of toxins and infectious organisms, replenishing your skin, hair, and nails. Immune support, energy boost, decreases cancer risk, decreases stress, inflammation, and pain, supporting internal rejuvenation and healing. Slows the aging process, speeds tissue repair and healing, flushes toxins, restores energy, muscle tone, and cognitive function. Flushes toxins, metals, and pathogenic organisms, relieves stress, anxiety, improves concentration, and mental sharpness. Alleviating inflammation, pain, and discomfort, supporting immune system, decreased risk of degenerative disease. Includes athletic performance, improves energy level, increases brain function, and burns fat. Due to IV treatments being administered directly into the veins, the results can be much faster than other traditional medications. All treatment protocols are customized to you based on your goals and conditions. If you are interested in receiving vitamin injections or nutrient IVs near Saratoga, contact us for a free initial consultation, 408-733-0400. We also service the following areas near our Saratoga, California clinic: Sunnyvale, San Jose, Palo Alto, Santa Clara, Los Altos, Cupertino, Mountain View, as well as other surrounding neighborhoods. For more information, please visit us at rootcausemedicalclinics.com today.